In today's video, I am going to teach you how to Mailerlite complete profile step by step. To begin, open Mailerlite and log into your account. Use your normal login method and make sure you are signing in from the official Mailerlite website. Once you are inside your account, you should arrive on the main dashboard. This is the area where Mailerlite shows your account overview, setup progress, and important account reminders. On the dashboard, look for the Account Settings option on the dashboard banner. This banner is usually designed to guide you through the setup process, especially if your account is new or your profile is not fully completed yet. Click Account Settings from that banner to continue. This will take you into the area where Mailerlite collects the information it needs to understand your business and help prepare your account for sending emails. After you open the Account Settings area, navigate to the Company Profile section. This is the part of your Mailerlite account where you provide the basic details about your company or organization. Take a moment here to make sure you are in the correct section before filling anything in. Completing the company profile correctly is important because this information can help with account verification and email compliance. Now enter your company name. Use the official name of your business, brand, organization, or project. After that, enter your physical address. Mailerlite requires a physical mailing address because email marketing laws usually require senders to include a valid address in marketing emails. Make sure the address is accurate and appropriate for your email sending account. Next, choose your time zone. Select the time zone that matches where you operate from, or the time zone you want to use when scheduling campaigns. This matters because email scheduling, automation timing, and reports may depend on the time zone you choose. Taking a moment to set this correctly now can help avoid confusion later when you start planning and sending campaigns. Once your basic company details are entered, move on to the section where Mailerlite asks about your industry. Select the industry that best describes your business or the type of content you plan to send. If you do not see an exact match, choose the closest available option. This helps Mailerlite better understand the type of account you are setting up. After selecting your industry, indicate whether you have a website. If you do have one, choose the option that applies and provide the website information if Mailerlite asks for it. If you do not have a website, select the option that says you do not have one. Be accurate here because Mailerlite uses this information as part of the profile review and setup process. Next, indicate whether you already have an existing subscriber list. If you already collected subscribers before joining Mailerlite, choose the option that reflects that. If you are starting fresh and do not have subscribers yet, choose the option that says you do not have an existing list. This helps Mailerlite understand whether you will be importing contacts or building your list from the beginning. Now you will need to enter a brief description of the emails you plan to send. Keep this description clear and simple. For example, describe whether your emails will include newsletters, product updates, promotions, educational content, announcements, or other business-related messages. The goal is to explain the type of content your subscribers can expect to receive. Before finishing, review the anti-spam policy section. Mailerlite requires you to accept this policy to confirm that you understand and agree to follow proper email sending rules. This usually means you should only send emails to people who have given permission to receive them, and you should avoid sending unwanted or misleading messages. Once everything looks correct, accept the anti-spam policy and click Save and Continue. Mailerlite will then save your company profile information and move you forward in the setup process. That covers everything you need to know.